Welcome to
He's the guy that You gonna pull over?
Please say a command.
Pull over. Three 113 to 313.
What?
Do you?
I am going into work, my man. Why are you trying to pull me over as I'm going?
Because you're going 80 and a 45.
I am going into work.
Okay, what are you going to work for?
What does it look like I am dressed for?
What
does it look like I am dressed for?
My name is Deputy Hilton, and they see your driver's license.
No.
Okay. 3113, copy at 1050. 10-4, I got a city, Orlando PD taking off from a traffic stop. It's going to be X-Ray Foxtrot 6207, XF 620.
Oh my god.
Well, the cops are after them.
Cops are after him?
Yeah, look up.
He lit him up, too, mother.
What kind of game is this?
Like this suffocating debt.
It feels like we're stuck to a ball. And
I wanted to understand what makes this particular job even more vulnerable to a ton of debt. The first factor, of course, is chronic. She teaches 10th grade English in Oklahoma City, and she remembers getting her first classroom job.
After waitressing, it sounds awesome to make $35,000.
It's a shame, isn't it? Shame, isn't it?
I should have one more.
Here's Josh. So the White Sox Tim Anderson drives in 3 runs for
Wow, that was a pretty easy one.
lose to Mexico in a World Baseball
Try and make a free on the weekend, but like, yeah, with like my own ingredients. Let me try. It's so yummy, like unbelievably yummy. Yeah, I can make a free during class. It was fully red light too. He just went.
Huh? Look.
Really? Okay, serious. Uh-oh. Limpang.
So how does ERCOT, how do they make sure that supply and demand are, in balance?
They do it by being the grid's traffic cop. ERCOT basically tells companies who generate power when and how much power they need to put on the grid to meet the amount of demand. Or if there's more demand than there is supply, they can also order power companies to cut service. And this is what you call a planned blackout. It's a tricky job, and it became trickier.
Yeah, go around me on the shoulder with the cop car right there. Yep, got it, man. Stupid.
Okay, now I see. We have to take 73 north to get back to the 20, but you couldn't go north from where we were, so it took us around this way.
Okay. Oh, the guy got stopped by the police. The guy who was right behind just couldn't wait for us, I guess.
Like a cat. There's a cop behind us, right?
And cop's going for him. Oh my God, Mom!
It's gone for him?
Yes! Let's go!
Why do you think he's gone for him?
He's speeding. I know that because I'm speeding. Yes! Mom!
Stop! Don't be happy to pull you up.
Mom!
Oh.
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 That was funny.
Ayun, nahuli ng polis.
Together. Oh. Slander. Alright, Damon will help me, so just call me. Keep me posted. That's on me. Love you.
Posted!
What are you going to do? Time's yours at 9:45. Much up ahead. On a big day, Game 6 tonight. Joe Cameron, John Ritchie on WIP.
It is springtime, and the lead dog, George Perante, says it is time to come out and play. So if you're a long-time listener to the morning show, you know the absolute best place to go for all.
And you've got Azpilicueta, and then everyone else beyond that, you kind of go, I know who they are, but I don't know who starts. Like, dude.
Yeah. Yeah. I mean, we got guys, you know, on the men list, that's why who starts, but Belgium, you know, and people like that. I see the.